might be doing a presentation, you might work with PC Anywhere, and you may need to show somebody something on the screen. I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you go down the bottom, in the search type in accessibility, and then you've got accessibility mouse settings. Go into there. So if you go down there to mouse pointer and size, I'm on Windows 11 by the way. So if you go onto there, you've got all these different mouse types. And this is a pretty cool one, the custom one, because you can select different mouse sizes, bearing in mind this what you're presenting, the colour background and stuff like that. So if you select yellow, whatever colour you want, then you can increase the size. So you can turn on a shadow if you want. If you learnt something today, carry on and watch another video and learn a bit more. Or subscribe to watch the latest videos coming out.